Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the Korblox Right Leg is already in your inventory and compatible with your avatar rig. Open your avatar editor, choose the correct rig type, and remove any conflicting right leg items. Once done, equip the Korblox piece and inspect the immediate fit in the preview. Small misalignments show up here. Make sure to save a labeled outfit copy so you can revert quickly if something looks off, because testing live can affect your session instantly. Now adjust the fit precisely. Use scale and offset controls to align seams with the torso and left leg. If the mesh supports color or texture overrides, apply them to blend edges and avoid visible seams during movement. Next, load several frequent animations: idle, walk, run to watch deformation and clipping. If clipping occurs near the knee or hip, tweak offsets incrementally and retest. Small changes matter. Keep iterating until movement looks natural across animations and camera angles. Finish by locking your final settings and saving the outfit under a clear name for quick reuse. If you still see clipping or flicker after adjustments, revert to the backup outfit and repeat the process, making smaller incremental changes to offsets or scales. As a key troubleshooting tip, if persistent deformation remains, test the Korblox Right Leg on a fresh avatar or different rig to isolate whether the mesh or your avatar settings cause the issue. Then either report the mesh problem or choose a compatible alternative.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.